We're going to use a table to help us organize all of the information in this problem. So we have a pet store owner, and he needs to determine how much food he needs to feed the animals. He needs to order the same amount of bird food as hamster food, and 4 times as much dog as bird, and half of that amount of cat as dog. So let's start with the dog as a value of 1, and that means the hamster also has a value of 1. Then from there, we know that he needs 4 times as much dog as bird, so that's 4, because 4 times 1 is 4. And half of that, or half the amount of that, is cat, so we have 2. So this gives us a total of 8 items, right? And then if we use this, we can take this relationship between each of the animals and the fact that we have a total number of food and a total number of items, and we can use that to figure out how much for each of those. So I know that he's ordering 600 packages, and that 600 packages represents 8 items. So if I take 600 divided by 8, that means that each of the ones is worth 75, because 600 divided by 8 equals 75. I double that for the cat, that's 150, and I double that for the dog, which means 300. So we do this work in order to be able to figure out how many numbers, the number of the packages of bird food that he buys. And of course we can see that now in the table. He needs to buy 75 packages of bird food in order to feed the birds at the pet store.